I think it's working. I think we're back. I think. Hello, the internet went out.
Welcome, fellow scrubs, for this second episode today.
Yeah, no, the third, remember? Because the first one fucked up. Hold on. I gotta see if everything's actually working or not.
Scrub the third.
Yeah. Okay. It looks like Twitter is working, maybe.
How did you apply the lights to the lamps again?
Oh, I just added a point light to the prefabs.
Where's it?
Oh, if you click on any instantiation of the object and then you look in the inspector, there'll be an open button and that opens the prefab automatically, so you don't have to go find it. Otherwise, you can go find it under the prop folder, I think.
Where's the open one?
The prop folder. Here, let me show you. If I go... No, hold on, it's reloading. Okay, so if you go here, like this is like a key variant 1. If I go up to here where it says variant, it says open. It says open prefab asset key variant. Click that and then you're in the prefab, and then you can make your changes and they'll reflect on every single copy of that object. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, so the fucking internet went out when I was trying to explain that, like, the disparity between the shadows here makes it look like there's some depth into the background. And then it'd be especially apparent when you start moving around. And I think it actually might be a little more effective if you didn't have this outer darker circle, to be honest. Because right now, I don't know, like, it's okay, but it might only look convincing in motion. I don't get the sense of it so much here because it darkens before it goes, but that would be the only thing I would like.
There's a two-step project. There's a two-step process.
Oh, I see, you got it darkened up here too. Yeah, I don't know. If that's the case... Oh, okay, I see what you did. Yeah, alright, the disparity between here... Let me make this like pink or something so you can see it. The disparity between here and here is what you need to worry about, not from here to here.
There's nothing there though, it's just black.
Yeah, but this disparity needs to be much shorter. Between...
So you want to pull the outer ring back in.
Yeah, so the disparity between where you can see here and where you can see here gives you the amount of depth between the background and the foreground, like a drop shadow. I was reading it just from here to here, but it looked weird to me. It's because this is still here. Yeah, so this had to be kind of like, I would say I would probably do it like within this much space. So either this has to come up here or this has to come down here. But either way, the distance needs to be about this much between the two. Otherwise, it'll look like way too big. I would start with that and see how that works.
How about this?
Let's see. That's much better, but it's still too much. So you've got from, it's hard to tell, but it looks like you've got from here to here. And I would make that at least half. I would do it so that this moves up to this line so that you have this distance between them.
Here.
Shorter distance. Yeah, that's much better. That's much better. Oh wait, the door's fucking it up. Hold on. No, I think it's still a lot, because you've got from here to here. I would do from here to here. So this has to come in. You don't want much distance between it. Because the greater the distance, at some point the illusion will break, but the greater the distance, the more depth is implied. And you want it to be relatively close, because the door is close enough for him to enter, right? So it's not like there's a fucking courtyard's worth of distance in the background. So they should be relatively shorter. But again, I'm not sure if the effect might also be breaking because you've got the multiple layers, or the multiple intensities going on here. So I don't know.
How about this? I feel like
Can you move him
main...
to the right? I am sick of seeing this fucking door lit up fully.
He's making the door lit.
Move him to the next door. There we go. Okay.
I think the inner circle needs to be bigger then.
Yeah, the distance here should probably be about the same as the other one for the dark zone. But yeah, this is closer. This is what I was saying. From here to here, that's your disparity. That's not bad. But this part here, I think needs to be like up out here somewhere. Somewhere up around here. To be a similar length between here and here. I think that would look cool. But already it's looking like there's some depth now. It's looking cool. Okay, copy.
This feels low tech enough though to actually work. For some reason.
Yeah, it looks good. If you could get them closer to the corner, it might be easier to see. Because then you've got the corner piece with the side illuminated. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's where it's going to really shine. There you go. That's better. But you see how it creates like a depth to the background when you have them close like that? It looks pretty cool. I'd like to see it in motion, but don't save it over my original.
No, I'll send you a build after I'm done putting the candles in.
Oh, for sure, yeah. For sure.
Do you want a 4-layer system of the candles now, or?
What's up?
Or just do something silly? Do you want to do a 4-layer system on the candles, or just do something where they all illuminate the back?
I don't know. It probably would look weird if only the back was illuminated. Now, those candles are small enough they wouldn't reach the ground anyway, which is fine. But a bigger torch or something would have to reach the ground. So, yeah, use your discretion. But keep in mind, the more active lights you have, the slower the whole process gets. So, there is a performance cost for doing shit like this.
Do you have a killer PC?
Ideally,
you want to run it on phones?
Ideally, you would want only one light source per object. Look, not everybody's got the fucking RTX 7 billion or whatever the fuck you have. Just to run the mansion game. Yeah, we put a lot of lights in this game.
Have you seen other games?
Well, I would say Mystic Bell does pretty much like a light source on everything, it looks like. Which is kind of
So you
cool,
can just add a component? Or?
I don't know if Mystic Bell does the same thing though. They could just be like doing sprite rendering to make up for that. Or they're just rendering multiple copies of the sprite to make the shadow. It kind of looks like what they're doing, but I honestly don't know. You could probably bake the lighting too, but that's a whole other fucking topic I'm not going to get into. TLDR, pre-calculating lighting that will never move in the scene, so that it's faster to calculate lighting, so they're not real-time lights for everything. But again, that's a whole fucking thing.
Oh, that's a problem. So it needs to be... It shouldn't be a component, it needs to be an actual object. Need the candle.
It can be a component on the candle.
Because the Y position it won't work, right?
Oh, yeah. Unless they give you some sort of way to...
They don't.
Like, offset it, then yeah, you'll have to make it an additional object, but that's okay. It's kind of expected, I suppose.
Wrong type of light. Okay.
I am just organizing my code here into regions. So I have my add code, my remove code. Editor only. And I can just kind of, because the code's getting big here. I guess these are queries. So queries just means like a question.
Why would the pixel alignment not be exact?
What do you mean?
Well, when you put the point light in, it doesn't align horizontally correctly with the pixels. So where is the center?
Oh, because it's an odd number pixel sprite, so it's going to be either on the bottom left or the bottom right of the centermost pixel. The light can be placed in between them. You just do like a 0.5 or whatever the fuck it needs, or just drag the slider very slowly. You can get that nuance. I did that earlier.
Okay.
Okay, let's see now.
Yeah, okay, I see what you mean. Yeah.
Yeah. Close that. I'm gonna move the inventory slot class so it's on file soon, but right now it's fine.
So how do you back out of the
the prefab? In the
Prefab,
hierarchy window, there's a little back arrow. Just click that and it'll take you right out.
Okay. That's your save. Okay, let's check.
Yep, it should be all set now. Now all of that specific prefab should be.
Yep, I see it.
Yeah, should be good now.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Oh, I know why that one item is missing when I come in. Because the collision happens automatically. It moving me between the door here and the door where my level is actually takes me through where that key is. I notice it's collecting it every time I come through the door. That's because my position is temporarily over it. That's hilarious. Okay, well at least I know what's happening to it. That's hilarious. Oh, alright. Copy image. I should have noticed that earlier, that the counter was going up every time I entered the door. Yeah, that works. I would say the problem is that now you've introduced this second darkening layer, that now the candles look weird without it. You're just gonna have to do it for all of them. Or figure out, they all have to be consistent, one way or another. Either you remove it from the player, or you add it to the candles. It might be worth trying to get the inner and outer layer to look, how do I want to put it? If you can get that effect with one light and not having to have two, that would be really cool.
That might require cheating with the radius settings.
Cheating with what?
Using the radius settings.
Maybe, yeah. There's some kind of like intensity fall off value, so maybe like you can do something with that.
I didn't even see it.
I'm gonna make the keys a little fancy now. I'm gonna go in here, I'm gonna add an animator. And add an animation for the key. It's going to be called key float. Game items key float. And what it's going to do, it's going to take this sprite at 0 here, and then in a quarter second it will be 0.5, I don't know, and then back to 0. And the idea here is the key is going to bounce up and down. But,
okay.
It's bouncing too high, so...
Feels like there definitely should be some sort of intensity cap on this thing.
Yeah, I agree. There we go. That's a good wobble. Okay.
Wobble?
So, hold on, let me check my thing here first. Wait, they're not animating. How come? What the fuck? Are the errors? No.
What is light order?
What's what? Light order? Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
Hey, let me... Here's Tim's picture here. Oh yeah, they look cool now. But did you have to use 2 lights to get them?
Yeah, but the thing is, that's not a single drop-off value. It's
a gradient.
It's 1 and 0.75, not 1 and 0.5, and then nothing.
I don't know.
So it's not 2 equal steps.
I don't understand.
So that's why. If you do the automatic drop-off, you know, you'd expect it to half and then 0, right? 1, 0.5, 0.
Well, it's gradated, but I don't know if you can change the gradation.
Yeah, but in this case, this is 1, 0.5, 0. 0.75, 0.
Have you tried the other blending styles?
I mean, I can try it. Just saying, this is what I would like to do visually.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't know.
So, I like this result visually.
Yeah. Yeah, it looks alright. Yeah, it looks kind of cool. You should change your game window from free aspect to 16:9, by the way. That way you won't see the outside edges peering in. It's kind of weird to see that one candle all the way to the right. Kind of throws my sense off of what the fuck's going on.
Okay. Switched it.
I wonder if the candles should be a little... I don't know, I guess they shouldn't be duller. They just feel a little bright, maybe.
That's what I'm saying. There should be a max intensity.
Well, I mean, even in the darkness, but maybe not.
They're very dull already.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how to set the max intensity. That could be some setting in there somewhere. Oh, I know why it's not working. Because Unity's fucking weird, and it removes your runtime animator field there. Controller. There we go. Now the items are doing their thing. Look at that. Going up and down. Boing. Ching, 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 ching. Ching, ching, ching. Could do this for coins. Could do it for anything. Boing. I just realized you're using Winamp respect. Yeah. From chat. Dude, I've been using Winamp for so long. Why stop now, man? It's a good shit. They got so many plugins and stuff. It's great. I doubt many people even know what that is. Yeah, some people come in here and they're either like, what's Winamp? Or they're like, you're using Winamp? Like, why? Because I've always been using it. That's why. I had a Kitty Holmes Winamp skin like 15 years ago. I'm just using the normal skin, I guess. The modern? I don't know. Maybe I changed it. I don't know. It looks like this. It looks like this one. I don't know if that's the... I'm pretty sure I changed it from the default. Or maybe not. I don't know. Whatever. Oh no, what did you do? Tim, why? Tim messed up all the lights. Tim, what did you do? Is it you just cranked the intensity on it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It looks spooky though. It really does. Winamp is the best audio player in my opinion, does so much, and the GUI is so minimalistic. I agree. I agree. And I've been using it for God knows how many years, so why stop now? I like the little item bob. What do you think?
I haven't seen it yet.
Take a look.
Switching windows. Oh yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, I think that's a good little kind of like, you know, you can pick it up kind of feel to it to let you know that it's a thing that you can pick up. I don't know if
still salty with Mystic Bell.
Why?
The one that you didn't pick up.
Oh, because I didn't notice the pickup. Yeah. Yeah, partially. I would say that you would either do this for something super like important, like a key. I would make it Bob, but if it's just like an item that drops, like a weapon or something, or a restock on like an item, I would just let it drop to the ground. And you could make the outside. You could make the outside aura flicker.
Mark, this is the explanation for the light order. What do you think this means?
Okay. Copy it here. So I can read it on the main monitor. It's killing me. Okay, light order. Enter a value here to specify the rendering order of this light relative to the other lights in the same sorting layers. Okay. Lights with lower values are rendered first, and negative values are rendered. Okay, yeah, so light interaction, like you would want lights from the background to be like lower, and then lights that are closer to the foreground. If they're on different or if they're on the same layer.
Means they're below.
Yeah. So if you think of like sheets of paper, the first one that's rendered, you put a sheet of paper on a piece of table. On a piece of table, on a table, piece of paper on a table. Then you take another piece of paper and lay it over the first piece of paper. That's your second render, and so on and so forth. So the first render is always on the back, and then it goes up from there. You might get wonky results if you have them reversed. Now this only happens per layer, though, so you can't make a light from a higher sorting layer take over a light from a lower one. It won't work that way. So this is just, I'll be honest, you might not even have to worry about this.
I know, I was...
Well, you know what you actually do, and the only reason you do is because you're using 2 to get that ring effect. I would put the ring ones on a lower, make them draw first, always. So just put them like -1 or whatever.
What the fuck?
And then the second one will always be second. Yeah, that's what I would do.
On alpha blending?
Mm-hmm.
Look what happens.
Okay. Why are you standing next to that door again? Get away from that door.
Does this matter?
Well, the door is a pain in the ass. Yeah. So,
Okay, let me actually change this fucking door.
what's going on with the candles here might be because your sorting layer is not set. That light layer or whatever you sent to me to look at.
No, I put about 0, yeah.
Yeah, I would put the darker ring should be -1, I think. See, enter value here.
Where is that one door on?
Lights with lower values are rendered first. So yeah, I would say the darker ring, the ring with the darker value here, the outer ring, that one needs to be -1 on all of them. The door is probably on the floor layer, judging by the illumination on it. So you'll have to move it to the background layer. However, you'll have to get rid of the pillars behind it. That's why I put it on the floor layer. Yeah. Yeah, I like the little bob here. I would probably only like things that don't look like they are meant to sit on the floor would have the bob. So like if a bag of money fell, I wouldn't have that be floating because it's not like a super key item. But I think this works here this way, and then it looks like they're picking up on our inventory list, all right? So it's looking good. Boink, boink, boink. Boink. Yeah, it's looking good.
Yeah, I have not been able to pull it off with 1 yet.
Yeah, I don't know if you'll be able to. I mean, you could maybe make a shader to do it, but I doubt you want to get into shader code. Or maybe, I don't know, because it's their lighting things are open source, maybe you could somehow figure out an algorithm if you make your own version of it.
Well, could just be a setting thing.
Yeah, well, that's what I'm saying. If you can't find a setting. Let's see.
The difficulty is that I can't change a live test, you know?
Yeah.
Figure out which kill it actually is. Okay.
Let's see if this caps at 99 here. 78. 82. 86. 90. 94.
And whatever you do
98.
in the,
Yep, 99.
whatever you do with these radiuses, it will give us, it will get a smooth effect instead of the distinct 2 circle effect. I don't think it works this way.
Yeah. Yeah, it's designed to have the smoothing effect. That's one you might have to change the code. I would just make like a copy of the script and see if you can change the
I
intervals.
don't see the blend styles do anything.
No? Okay. That was worth a shot.
I mean, you could maybe, I don't know, apply normal map to it?
Not to the light. You don't apply normal map to the light. You apply normal map to the things that would cast shadows and such. Or things that receive light, put it that way.
Mm-hmm.
That's how that would work. Cool. Alright, that works swimmingly. Now I have to
Yeah,
think...
I don't think you can do it with 1.
No. I have to wonder now, how I want to divide up the categorization of these items. Like, should they be treated as different data behind the scenes or not? I guess I would have to, because like if I if I had a shop, right? If I had a shop, I would have different menus for like items, for like weapons and shit. Or say you go to the pause menu and it brings up like what weapon you have equipped, but the weapon's also in your inventory, just like your money and like your item, like your sub-weapon items and your potions and shit, and keys and all that. You would have to know what menu to show them in. So like keys would be like key items, I guess, I don't know. And weapons would be like weapon class items, and like these would be consumable weapon items. Like main weapons and consumables would be different. So obviously you don't have a stock on your main weapon. It's just like a baseball bat or something. But then your like sub-weapons have ammo to them. So you would need the stock of inventory to treat these differently so they can show up in different item slots. You don't want to program it so like you have to go to the menu and be like, it accepts this item and this item and this item. No, fuck that. You want to do it categorically. So I think that would be the best way to do that. Just make some sort of categories. And then the menu can sort based on the categories. And show the ones that it wants. I think that makes sense. So, I guess I'll have to make weapon categories, or item categories then, which probably could just be scriptable objects of their own with a name attached to them. I think that makes the most sense. Then the inventory can be centralized, and I don't have to make different inventory pools every time we add something, so it'll just be programmatically, you know, put together. I could programmatically make different inventory pools if I really feel like it, but it may not be necessary to do that. So, okay, first things first. New script, inventory item category. So this is going to be a scriptable object. Create asset menu, file name equals new item category. Menu name equals game / inventory / item category. Okay, and in here, honestly, nothing yet. It really just needs to exist. So here, we'll just make a new folder, categories, create game, inventory, item category, and we'll call this one, progression. Oh. So progression is like quote-unquote key items, so things you need to progress through the game. And we'll put, oh no, not new script, create inventory item class. Oh, excuse me, let's see. We don't even have any other ones at the moment, but we will want use items. So that's things like potions and shit, right? Part of your normal thing. I don't know. You might want to subdivide that though. I'll leave it there for now. That's fine. Oh, you got a new... Oh no, that looks weird. What did you do? It looks way too intense. It looks way too bright.
I think we can lower the intensity by half for all of them.
Maybe. Yeah, you gotta figure something out how to cap the intensity.
Yeah.
Oh, I would look it up. I would research it. Because otherwise it just gets like way too bright when they're right next to you. It should only go up to normal brightness. To 1.0.
Yeah.
Okay, so then our inventory item, well, that's a category, but
Or
inventory
you arrange it
item.
automatically.
Oh yeah, yeah. We want serialize field private because we don't want any script messing with this. Inventory item category. Oh, underscore category. So we're gonna make a public accessor for this. Then public inventory item category.
Oh, the problem is that the intensity is at the 1 instead of 0. So half.
Yeah. Well, that's right, and it'll exceed 1, but you need to set the cap at 1. It's fine if they're set at 1. But just the cumulative can only go up to 1 is what you want.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying is that they were just set way too high. In general.
Maybe, maybe not. It might be what you want, but it's possible that it might be a little too much. That's what I was wondering, if maybe they looked a little too intense even on their own. But you'd have to check that out.
I mean, that just means the candles were double the intensity or triple the intensity of what the other ones were.
Yeah. Okay, so now we have the category. And that's pretty much it. Just the category needs to exist for the most part. Because then we can just, in the editor, we can just drag and drop them. Okay, so these keys, they have a category of progression and progression. And they're both set to 1. Maximum stock of 1. There we go. So if we pick up more than 1, there's only 1. Okay. If we click on the item, then we can check its category. Cool. Hog. I am going to put...
Oh yeah, somehow completely broken.
You broke him.
Yeah, sure why.
Okay, category will be the second field here then, and that should do. Yeah, that works. Max stock of 1. Yeah. Cool. Hog. This is a pretty good.
I don't see why it broke.
Checkpoint. I don't know. Don't ask me, man. I ain't looking at your stuff. I don't know. Are you tired?
I'm still going.
You're still going? Okay, I'll stick around for a little bit then. I'm starting to lose steam, but I feel like I'm at a good checkpoint.
Then reinstall it.
Install it.
Reinstall it.
Reinstall what?
Steam.
Oh, Steam. Jesus Christ. Tim! Too tired to yell at you now. Stop it.
Jeez,
Yeah, I guess like progression items can float if it makes sense for them to float or something. But like item drops could you know what I like that Symphony of the Night does is that the items actually flash white when they first appear. They'll stop after. But when they first appear, you'll notice for sure because they're flickering. Like that's a really neat effect. I do like that. That's something I would like to do with this, even if it's just the outline that flashes on and off. I think that would be a great effect. And then so even if they drop and they're motionless and they have no particular animation, that's still a thing. I don't know, I guess for the moment I'll make like coins or something that you can pick up a ton of.
Coins are good.
Yeah, we may not have coins in the end, but it doesn't matter as long as we've got something. So
Capitalism, huh?
yeah, 16 by 16. Now let's make us a coin, baby. We've got brush is too big.
Okay.
Here, it's a Mario coin.
Here's a less bright one.
What is the what?
Less bright one.
Oh, okay. Let's see. Close that helps. Yeah. That's kind of neat that they converge a bit there. I don't know. It doesn't look like they're bright enough, maybe. Maybe something in between that. For them being candles, you know? Like they're just slightly too dark. But it's not bad. It's not a bad start.
Were the other ones too dark?
The other ones. What's the other?
The small candles.
The what?
The small candles.
In your previous version here?
The one in the red background.
This one? They look alright-ish. Yeah, they seem okay. Are they the same intensity? It might be just a green.
Yeah.
Yeah, it might just be the green backgrounds throwing it off. I don't know.
Here's with 0.75 intensity.
Okay, copy. That looks a little better. Yeah, that's a little better. I'm also not seeing it animated too, which probably hurts it a little.
Here's the same candles in the next background.
Yeah, well, that one's different because it has a pre-drawn aura around it, which is smaller than the actual candle exposure. So that one just kind of is what it is. Yeah, like if you were to actually use the lighting, then you just wouldn't draw it like that, and behind you just let it automatically take over.
Okay, so we need a few more things. Save this thing.
Yeah. I think I'm going to make something more like a more round coin here. Yeah. I mean, I want to make it more rounded than like the Mario type of coin. I think that'll make it a little more distinguished here. So 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, that'll work. I'll outline it black. The keys are black and then outlined in an aura, but I don't know. I can certainly try it. see what it looks like. I don't know what color I selected, so we're just gonna copy and paste it. I wish you could select colors between documents in Sprite, but alas, it's not a thing. Okay. There's a coin. Let's get sued by Disney. We're gonna make it a mouse coin.
That makes sense.
It does, yeah. Mouse coin. There we are. Bink. Yeah, sort of. Mouse coin. The head should be a little bigger. There, mouse coin. He's got a happy face. Okay. I don't know. That's kind of complex, though. It kind of looks cool, but I don't feel like animating that, so I'm sorry. I'm just gonna go with a generic coin for now.
Let me see.
Oh, you didn't see it? There, mouse coin.
No. Is that a mouse?
It don't look like a
Oh,
mouse.
like
to you?
that.
Yeah.
I would do a forward-facing mouse.
Oh. I don't know, like when you look at a penny, I know you're not American, so you don't know. But when
I
you
know
look at
what
a
you
penny,
mean.
it's like
Same
side
here.
to profile. Yeah.
Use clarity.
I think this would be a fucking nightmare to animate though, so I'm just gonna make a generic coin right now. Could just make a, I don't know. Boop, boop. I guess it would have to be a hole. Oh, god damn it, now it's a Mario coin. What the hell kind of thing would we do? Could we make it a cross shape here, maybe?
Put a Z on it.
A Z. Yeah, for Zenny. Boink. I don't know. That just don't look terrible. Just looks a little weird, though. Maybe if I thin out the outside edges here. Nah, that's Mario coin again. What if I go the opposite way and elongate top and bottom?
Why it doesn't have to be coins? Why can't you use $2 bills?
I could. 1, 2, 1, 2. Quick and dirty. Is that what? Something about this don't look too great. This, it might have to come in like this instead. I think that would make more sense. There. That looks a lot better. Nope. The eraser is huge. And then this is gonna get a lot thinner. That's okay. Next. Have to lose definition here. These will have to come in. And well, the Roosters is up. I hear him. What are you doing up, Rooster? Do you hear him?
Yeah.
That's funny. I guess chat hears him too. If you can hear him. Sometimes I wake up in the middle of the night. I don't know why. It's just, whatever, they're up. So I guess they're like us. If they happen to just get up, they're just like, whatever, I guess I'm up now.
No. Humans would be staying asleep the entire time. I don't want to go out.
Maybe in Europe, but in the United States, we're riddled with anxiety, so we just don't. We don't sleep ever.
You get issues.
We do, yes. Absolutely. You are right. Yeah. That's right. I guess this one should just be thin. Could have a depth to it like this, but that's it. And let's link from here to here, link cells, and oh boy, it's a coin. There you go. You touch it and it goes cling. Okay. The last bit here needs to be thinner. But other than that, or it might actually have, yeah, it has to be like this, right? Yeah, because it's, I don't know, either that or this, because it's kind of a complex shape to it. Oh, they should absolutely be like this, I think. Yeah. That's kind of weird, but it's not very good, but whatever, man. Nah, it looks fucking stupid now. It would have to do something like this, I think. I'll have to start losing detail in the middle. Nah, it looks fucking stupid too. Oh, you know what? There. Don't have to worry about the top and bottom if they don't exist, baby. Fuck yeah, less work. There we go. Just, I don't know. Yeah, it's a sideways Mario coin. Fuck it, I don't care anymore. Yeah. We're never gonna use them, it's just a...
You will use them.
Shit, no we will not, I swear to God. Coins...
Just make it an evil eye.
Yeah, it's an evil eye. Yeah, that's it, it's an eyeball. Or something. Okay, export sprite sheet. Merge duplicates, ignore empty. Trim sprite, trim cells. There we go. But we want a padding, spacing of 1. That works. Oh, padding. Oh, border padding. I guess. 2, 3. Oh, that's weird. I guess 0. What's inner padding? Inner padding's cool. That's good. Alright, we'll do that. Yeah. Okay, so we'll make an empty coin prefab here. We'll open it up here. We're gonna add a sprite to it. No, not a sprite mask. Sprite renderer. Oh yeah, we gotta process these sprites. Multiple, full rect, no collider, normal quality, no compression, and no filter. 1, 2, 3.
The funny thing is, I can't actually see the ring on the standing candles. I think it's because there's so much darkness around it, so I can't see the ring.
Oh, maybe. Wacky.
Yeah.
Oh, it's just called Sprite 04. Shit. Coin. Gotta call it coin. Not kin, coin! Jesus Christ. Oh, I gotta fucking rename them all. Why? Okay. Coin. Oh, wait, no, remove that. We got to add a new empty. Call it Sprite. Alright. Sprite renderer. Now coin. There. Boing.
Mark.
What?
The one without the flame enabled also has the glow around it.
One without the flame.
The candle without the flame also has the glow on it.
What do you mean?
Because it's part of the same prefab.
Candle without the flame. I don't remember that one.
The one that's inactive.
I don't recall it. Can you send a screenshot?
No.
Okay, don't then.
I'll send it later.
Okay. We can increase the size here. 1.2, 1.2. Come on. 1.2. There. Now it's nice and big. A little bit of a generous capture box here. And we need a rigid body 2D. Kinematic. Constraint on all sides. And an item pickup controller. Collectible item controller. We don't have a coin itself, so we'll go to game, inventory, item, coin. Category. I don't like the category. Game. Yeah. inventory category. Coin category. How about that? Or I guess it would be money. Yeah, so coin is of the money category. And you can have a bazillion of them. There. And then we want an animator. Coin spin. And that will take the sprite from here to here to here and back again. That's a pretty good spin. Yeah, I like that. There we go. Check the coin again. Assuming it didn't save the... Yeah, it did save the controller here. So, coin. Oh yeah, and then the item is coin. It's not picked up. And when it is picked up, sprite turns off. Well, I honestly could just turn the whole fucking object off. Game object is active, false, and that's it. Boom, it's dead. Don't necessarily want to delete it. That comes at a performance cost. But, there. Yeah, then we'll pull in coin here. You know what, I'm gonna have to make more area here.
Oh. Mark.
Yes.
You had two overlapping objects, same thing. So I couldn't figure out why disabling it wasn't working.
Oh. Where?
On the one torch, it has nothing.
One torch has... Oh, the one... Okay, I got you.
I tried turning it off, like, why is it still lit?
Gotcha. Whoops, sorry.
Okay, saving. Okay. Almost done,
There.
by the way.
Oh.
Just gotta do some map adjustments.
Oh, my physical must be visible. It don't have to be. Not this one. Okay.
I'm not sure how the camera system is gonna react here.
You're not sure what?
How the camera system is going to react.
What do you mean?
I tried making a new area.
As long as
Go through
you copy it, it should be fine. Just copy a camera zone and then just drag it over there.
Yeah, it's for one big camera then. So.
Yeah, I mean, if you need it to be big, sure. It's cool.
I'm not sure how you made these cave floors.
You're not sure how what?
How you made these cave floors.
What do you mean?
Which tiles are the floor and which aren't? I think I found them. They're very dark, so you gotta really zoom in.
Oh, I guess. I don't know. I don't find them that bad.
Yeah, plus the way it is now, everything is a shadow when you try to draw it in.
Oh, yeah. You might be able to turn lighting off in your scene. There should be a toggle somewhere. Maybe under the camera?
Yeah,
I don't know.
make this work either way.
Yeah, there's a little icon toggled on when the lighting in the scene is enabled. It's next to the 2D. It's between the 2D icon and the speaker icon. So if you turn that off, it might be easier to do it.
Well, you did how you did that.
There, now it's really Mario. Got all the fucking coins. Alright, let's see. Player has 72 coins. Damn, that's a lot. Let me maximize it. We'll take a look at full screen. Okay. Key. Pick up keys. Keys cool. There we are. Mario coins. But sideways. There you go. It's fine. Everything's fine. No copyright infringement here.
None.
Not a single bit. Look at those sweet, sweet coins. The round penny-ass coins. What do you think?
Check. Yeah. Cool.
Pick them up.
I'll
Ding,
pick 'em
ding,
up.
ding. Here, watch. There's more of them.
Yeah, don't forget that account somewhere.
Yeah, right? I don't know. I'm not even sure how money is going to work in this game. It might not even have, like, traditional money, so who fucking knows?
How do you pick a background to keep drawing?
What do you mean?
You know, you have a background in the environment. How do you copy that for your brush?
I think you press I. Then it turns into the eyedropper. So the I key. Now, I don't know if you can do that from different layers. But at least the layer that you're on will do it.
Oh, that's what's happening here. Okay.
David in chat says this is pretty interesting stuff, and the process seems fairly straightforward for the most part. Oh, you're only seeing the fun part today. Yeah, don't let that don't let it stain your view of how frustrating this shit can be. He says
I
I might have
realize
to
what
get
the
my hands on
situation
the
is
engine. What's up?
You have the candles in the half, Tal.
Yes, I think so.
That's what. And you double up the background.
Maybe? I don't know. I just winged it. We're using the Unity engine, if it wasn't obvious already. It's a pretty good starting engine if you want to just get into game dev. It can still do some advanced stuff, but it for sure is easier than other ones, I think.
It's more beginner friendly.
Yeah, it's pretty beginner friendly. I mean, game dev used to be like prohibitively difficult to get into, and these engines
Even I know
make
what
it
I'm
a little
doing.
more. Sort of. You think you know what you're doing?
Sort of.
I don't even know what the fuck I'm doing.
I know you don't.
Shut up, fuck you. You're not supposed to agree with that one. You're supposed to say, Mark, you're doing an amazing job and we all love you.
Yeah. You said
So, David says, I mess with other engines like Mugen and RPG Maker. Kind of going down the list, I guess. Yeah, those are pretty, I don't know how to put it. RPG Maker's gotten better over the years, but they're very limited in what they can do. They're kind of like you're working with someone else's framework there. And for sure, any kind of engine, you're sort of working with a framework, and that's fine, but you'll find that it's a double-edged sword. There's a lot more you can do with Unity than you could ever do with those two. However, you've got to put the work in to make it happen. So that's kind of the double-edged sword. There's basic stuff is done for you, like rendering and sprites and stuff, and that's great, but everything else is kind of like on you to do, which I prefer, because then I can make it exactly how I want it, and I don't have to worry about the quirks of someone else's gameplay engine. Like, especially Mugen's, like, ugh. Like, you could never make a satisfactory commercial project with Mugen. It's just too broken and crappy. You could attempt to, but it's not gonna be up to commercial standards for sure. They always have fucking problems with controllers and crashing and, you know, resource management and bloat. And it's a fucking nightmare. I wonder if it'd be more efficient to put the coins on the, obviously we're not going to do Mario coins, we're just kind of testing here, but if we were, I kind of feel like you would want to put them on a background layer and just make them animated tile. Because you could do individual collisions with each one and just turn them off. Just change their tile to a blank tile whenever you collected them. I think that would work. We just have to remember to, like, not update them when the game is paused or something. I don't know, just spitting out loud. I don't think we're gonna end up with anything like that in the game, so we'll have to worry about it, but...
Can you say it again? What do you want to do with coins?
If you could take the coins and put them as a background layer so they're tiles instead of actual active objects, it might be more efficient. Oh. Because right now, it's like 1 million like active objects in the scene that are looking for collisions and shit. But if you just did it with tiles and then just like tried to do an overlay.
That's such NES level shit.
Oh, for sure, and Super Nintendo did the same thing. Those coins weren't sprites, hell no, they were background objects. But I think, even just from a straight efficiency standpoint, I think you would still gain efficiency by doing it that way. Because otherwise you could have literally hundreds and hundreds of... In a Mario game, not in our game, we're not really going to do that. It's just kind of test objects, but... In a Mario game, you could have literally hundreds and hundreds of coins in a level. And having all those active collisions happening, looking for other collisions and shit, sounds like it would be overkill, even for a modern game. So I think it would be better just to have them as a background object, and then you would just
What
check.
about the Super Mario Bros. 2?
Coins were all sprites there, but it's only because they came from the ground, one at a time. Yeah, that would be the best way to go. Just make them background layer. I'm not gonna worry about it because obviously this is just kind of a goofy test, but yeah, you could just check the player's position. You could either, I don't know, if you would get a, yeah, you would get a collision event, I think, from Unity to tell you that they were there, and then you just check like all the ones that you touched along the way, and then add it to your coin counter, and then whatever cells it reports back, and by cells like the grid cells of the tile, then you just go in there and you change the tile to nothing and just remove it from the map. That would work. Then you could just paint it as a part of the level. That would be pretty cool. It'd be its own layer, but that's alright too. I think it looks pretty good. Yeah. And then if we check our inventory, it should show that we've picked up X amount of coins. So, yeah, we picked a key of clubs, key of hearts. You only limited to one each. Oh, we picked up 792 coins? Holy shit. I guess I've been really grabbing them.
That's new Super Mario Bros. Shit right there.
Yeah, for real, right? I really picked up 700. Damn. I mean, I guess there's quite a lot here, but still.
Already?
940.
Oh, there. You're lagging.
Oh.
You're actually lagging there.
On the stream?
No, your game, I think.
That's probably the stream then. There's no lag happening here.
That's weird.
Yeah, I don't know. The internet's been fucking weird lately. It's killing me. That's why we got cut off halfway here. Or not halfway, but partway through the stream. Jing, 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 jing. Alright, quick. Someone rip the Mario sound. We're putting it. I'm kidding. We're not doing that.
Don't we have a cash sound from Hamster Drop lying around?
Get a cash what?
Cash sound from Mario from Hamster Drop. Lying around.
Oh, from Hamster Drop. I don't know if we have a cash sound from it. We never like caught coins and levels, so I don't think we ever did. Crane said he'll come back to, or at least he intends to come back to do sound design. So I'm happy for that. He's got a good mind for that. He doesn't want to do composition, so we'll have to find a composer. But I got somebody in mind. But I'm not gonna bother asking them until we're ready to start sound and stuff. Right now, anything would just be a placeholder because we don't have an atmosphere yet. We don't have like a final. We don't have a level that we can just point to and be like, "Hey, this is what our fucking game looks like. This is what you got to compose for." You know. And until that point, it's kind of useless to bring anybody on board because they'll just be sitting there twiddling their thumbs. You know what I mean? Like it would be nice to be like, "Yeah, I got someone," and they agreed to come in. Like that's cool, but. You know, that's great and all, it's just, don't have to worry about kind of like wasting their time, I guess. Is it kind of like, okay, are you ready now? No? Oh, okay. Are you ready now? Oh, okay. You know what I mean? Chat says, definitely understand what you mean. I stopped using RPG Maker for that exact reason. The limitations. Yep, me too. Way back in the day. Have you considered a small 2 to 3 frame sparkle effect when you collect the coins? Oh, for sure. It's just not programmed in. I guess we could do one quick. So,
still rounding up, so.
What's that?
I'm rounding up over here.
You're rounding up?
Yeah, finishing.
Oh, finishing up. Okay.
Finishing up, yeah.
Okay, gotcha. Oh, this is the ping. I don't care about the ping.
That was your so don't mind me.
Okay. Let's see. Save as coin sparkle. And I'm gonna make a new layer. And all these are gonna be linked. Actually, no, they're not. This one's going to be the first layer here. Let's pick that color. Oh, this color and that color. How about that? And make a big sparkle here. Oh, excuse me.
You're confused.
I wish. And a little sparkle here. Something like that. And if we move it here, then we can get another little sparkle here. There. Maybe a little higher. Yeah, so what we're gonna have to do is cut this and move it to the next one, and then this one's gonna flare up a little bit more. And it's gonna be like this, kinda. Yeah, I guess something like this. Yeah, and then those little ones come in, and then this one's going to be, then it's going to invert, so it's going to be like this, and then something like that. And we need another frame for the final bit here. So these are going to do the same thing, where then they're going to be like this. Something like this. We'll see if this works out. And then they'll be, yeah, like this. Oh. Boop, boop. We'll say like twinkle out. Yeah, that's not too bad. So this, boing, boing, boing. Something like that. I feel like they need to start at different times. So this one, here, let's move this up to the right. No, I don't know. This needs to move up. This one needs to happen later. Because then this one can happen like here. And then here. Oh, we got turned on. Then it's here. And I feel like we can get another one in the corner here. Well, let's see. This has got to move up to here. I gotta make sure all this is lined up correctly. Boing, boing. Boing, boing. Boing. Yeah, so I feel like this could, like, form down here after the fact. And then we do another. Wait, was I doing this on the wrong fucking layer? God damn it.
Always.
Always. Okay. Okay, fixed it. Okay, copy.
Yeah, good job.
Thank you. This goes.
Knowing is half the battle.
Yeah. This goes here, and then copy this to here. It's got kind of elaborate, but that's alright. And then one more here. Okay, let's reveal. So we got twinkle, twinkle. Oh, that's wrong. Between frames. Twinkle, twinkle.
Little star.
Oh. Yeah, that looks kind of cool. Make this 500 and make this 500. Okay. And bing. Yeah, that looks kind of cool. It's a little unbalanced.
No, sparkle. Okay, that's what you're doing.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what chat wanted to see.
Good call.
Yeah. I think like it needs a little bit here. Something like that. Yeah, it looks kind of cool. I think it looks neat. Yeah, cool. Alright, export, no, export sprite sheet. Okay, we don't want to trim the cells here. We do want inner padding. Merge duplicates, ignore empty, yeah. Okay, we'll just have to... Yeah, alright, let's check it in engine now. Coin sparkle. 16, multiple, full rect, no physics, no filtering, and no blending. If we do by cell count, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 frames, yeah, oh. Yeah, 6. Boink. And they are 18 by 18. That works for me. If they're even, that's good. So then, yeah, we'll build it in this one. That's fine.
Okay.
Create empty coin sparkle. And create that as prefab. Okay, coin sparkles are gonna have a sprite. Actually, we don't even need that. We can just use the. We can just put a sprite renderer right in here. It doesn't need to be another file. It's a very simple effect here. Now use that. That's fine. So we go to animation, create a new animation, coin sparkle, sparkle, animate, coin sparkle 0. Let's get a little more view here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you copy 5 into the other slot. I don't know, 5 frames each might be okay. Yeah, that's alright. There you go, sparkle. I have to make sure that that one in particular does not.
Okay, I need to copy over all those zones. Where are we getting a zone from?
You can copy a camera zone from anywhere. They'll work even if they're copies.
I mean, how do you select those?
You might have to select them off the
F1.
hierarchy. Yeah.
F1.
They don't have like a volumetric shape in the editor. You just gotta find them in the hierarchy. Just call them.
Yeah.
Okay, so coin sparkle. There. And when we gotta make the object disappear after at the end, so okay, let's see.
I made my first camera zone.
Hey, how about that?
Alas, none of this will be taken into the main project.
Nope. I don't know if I can just add an event here. Function. Nah, there's no function. Right? No.
Yeah, that looks great. That looks great. Okay. I'll send it over to you
Sure.
as an actual build.
I really don't want to add a script to this, but I don't think I have a choice.
Any advice on how to make a build best?
Just go up here to build settings from file, build settings. Make sure PC is selected. Make sure architecture is x86-64. And then press build and find a place to put it. I'm just gonna do a quick coin sparkle controller. Really hate making a thing for this, but I don't think I have a choice. At least not in the short term. And it is going to have a private void coin animation end. And all it's gonna do is game object dot set active to false. That's it. I just need to put that at the end of the animation so that it knows enough to turn the thing off at the end. So coin sparkle, add sparkle controller. Now we can go into the animation editor, and there we go. Coin animation end. And that should turn our coin sparkle off. Now, we probably have to make a coin controller here. Well, we don't need to do that exactly, but
Let's see if it runs. Made with Unity. I'll put you in your room, huh? Okay. Wow, this looks really damn cool full screen.
Oh, I'm gonna also do used in animation.
What's the chasing ghost gonna do when you switch maps?
It just dies. It can't chase you between maps. It is dead. Sparkle prefab. This is good practice at least. Private void. I'll make it public. It's fine. Public void.
Now we're really in the mark.
Create sparkle. Yeah. Oh wait, no shit. I don't want to do this. Hold on. Public void instantiate object. And that's gonna be a game object. Prefab.
We got CRT filters, lighting.
Yeah, well, we ain't keeping the lighting. You're talking
Awesome.
like a true indie dev now. Let's take pixel art and apply all the effects that aren't even remotely close to their aesthetic counterparts.
Yes, now you're getting it.
Yeah. Yeah, no, I'm not. Denied.
See it first before you judge.
Oh, I already know. Prefab. Transform parent. No. Wait, hold on.
No appreciation, I tell you.
Okay. Transform dot position. Transform dot. Oh wait. Quaternion dot identity, and that should be it. I shouldn't have to worry.
Only
about anything else.
22 megs or so.
Oh yeah, no, it's pretty slim. We don't have very big graphics or anything. We're not caching a lot of data yet either, but we will eventually. Okay, so the coin prefab is going to have a coin or object instantiation. Game object instantiation controller. This just gives it a simple thing. I think I can do this through animation. Or also, oh yeah, from the pickup event. I could just put it in there. And game object instantiation controller, instantiate game object, and asset coin sparkle. And that should do it. It should just work. Hopefully.
Here you go, Mark.
Okay, I'll check it just a second. Hey, look at that! They sparkle! It looks pretty fucking cool, too.
Yeah, but now you're missing all the sparkles. Pills.
Look at them sparkle. Looks pretty cool.
Huh? What sparkle? Oh, that. Yeah.
Yeah.
Says Mario.
It is very Mario.
Now you gotta apply individual light source to every coin.
No thanks. We're not that kind of indie dev. Hello, ADJ, what's up? For something you made on the fly, that came out rather nice. Thank you, chat. Oh yeah. We're Mario now. Have to pull a whole field of coins now. That's pretty funny. Okay, let's save that. It's our silly Mario coin demo. Okay, hold on. In order to get that link, I have to log in, so... Sorry, I gotta blank the screen
Coins
out
are
a
not
second.
spoopy.
What's it?
Coins are not spoopy.
No, they're not. Alright, let me download it. Download.
I mean, why coins? Why not dollar bills? They're green.
Yeah, that's true, right? They could be flapping like flags, right? In the wind.
Mm-hmm.
This thing's not even working. What the fuck?
And they turn into demons after that.
My internet dying again? Hold on, let me try it again. It's being stupid. Download.
Dead air.
Yeah, it's not downloading. I don't know. It won't work. It won't download.
What do you mean?
Floating dollar bills could be spooky-ish. Oh, there it goes. Jesus, it finally fucking... Fucking Google, man. Slow as shit now. Okay, let me extract it. Lit mansion. Was it not done downloading? Dude, it's taking forever to download. What the fuck? Okay, here we go.
Internet.
It might be.
You know, there's 5 copies.
No, I didn't. It only downloaded one.
It sounded like it.
Okay.
Put her up.
I'm getting there. All right, here we go. Bringing it back. Mention game. Hopefully it doesn't crash.
And don't tell me it doesn't work. It's your own game.
Just hoping it doesn't fucking crash. Hey, look at him running around. Okay, we're going to Timland or original. What map?
Just
Where we
walk.
going?
Yep. Original.
Okay. Oh boy. All the effects that we'll never have. But you see how it gives like the map depth though, like I said? To have the two shadows slightly off from each other?
You gotta explore the whole map though. You gotta find the shadow guy, you gotta go to the caves.
Alright. It's way too dark. Yeah, have a little bit of ambient light. Yeah, it's challenge. It's spoopy. Yeah, without the shadows, like the platforms are kind of like, I don't know, somewhat meaningless. You like really need the shadows there to be like.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you didn't fix the symbol?
What?
And there he is. Okay, and he's not affected by. Oh, he's got a shadow. Okay, that's kind of cool. That's kind of neat. Okay. Oh, these blocks have shadows.
This is the test area for the shadows.
David says, gotta head back into work. Keep up the great work. This all looks awesome. Well, thank you. Thank you very much. We do this every Thursday, and we do other development on Monday, and fully games on Sunday.
This whole area is the shadow test area.
Yeah. It's kind of weird though, I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of strange. I feel like the blocks aren't built to look shadowy or something. You might have to do some real crazy normal map bullshit to make this look good. I think it's very strange as it is. Well, I don't know, it's worth fucking around with, even if just to see how it all goes.
Tower caves.
Yep. Whoa. Oh, they actually cast shadows. Holy shit. Can you add another shadow? Yeah, Tim, can you add another? Is there enough already, or?
There's only a few.
Yeah, I like that it's kind of like a dull light. It's kind of neat. I don't know. Oh, wait, did he? Oh, when he's over you, it's just dark.
Yeah.
That's weird.
Now you know where you get hit.
Yeah, I guess so. And the whole screen flashes.
Didn't you notice anything about the standing candles?
Yeah, they got a shadow under him.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mentioned that.
What else?
That was it, I guess.
Color synthesis.
The color? Oh, I noticed that they were like different, but I didn't notice it was a color change. I thought it was just what did I say? I just thought it was a little darker.
Keep going.
But that works, yeah. Yeah, I guess you would want to give fire more of a yellowy orangey glow, right? Than the normal visual. Or the normal darkening. I guess that makes sense. Hey, that torch is just there. He's not he should be dark in the darkness, that torch.
Yeah, he's wrongly lit. Just to trigger you.
Alright, where do I gotta go now?
Right.
To the right.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Into the water.
I did already.
No.
You mean all the
You did
way
not.
through? Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, I didn't think there was anything that would be down there.
Stop flying.
Oh! Oh shit. Got more stuff. Uh-oh. Spoopy. Spoopy! Oh, and that's it. Okay. Guess that's the end of it.
Yeah, I didn't have that much time.
Oh, it's not a dev build, so I can't check to see if the walls are fake.
They're not. There's walls there.
That's kind of cool, though.
Notice what I was doing with the tiling.
The music that's playing on stream right now is like perfect for this area. It's all like creepy.
Notice what I did with the tiling there.
Yeah. Oh.
It's like a cave.
Yeah. I get it. Yeah, it's like it narrows down in here, yeah. That walnut pattern right here is actually currently unused. Doesn't really have a use. Yeah, it got turned into this one, this pillar.
Yeah, that's right. Now look to the right. You see the same pattern again.
Yeah, but
They
yeah,
go to the top of each other.
those blocks are currently unused. They're like the bottom one here. It's not meant to be used, but
yeah,
they don't look quite the same.
Fine.
Actually, what I did, I just took the two halves of this bottom pattern and put them together to make the pillar.
Yeah,
that's all I did. If you pattern them like reverse, you'll see the pattern emerge immediately. Yeah, I mean this could definitely work for like a Super Nintendo-ish game. Just not exactly in their scope for this thing. It's neat to mess around with, though. Definitely ain't NES.
A lot of things are in NES.
Yeah, but again, there's a perception. There's an aesthetical perception to maintain.
I mean, if you're going SNES, then I wouldn't do the clear pixel rings.
What's that?
But you eventually go to smoother lighting.
Oh, if you were doing Super Nintendo, yeah, it'd be smoother lighting for sure. Look at the weird shadowing on the top here. It's all freaky.
What's up?
Look at the ceiling. The weird line banding on it.
Because there's no ceiling?
There is, here. Here.
But it's not, it has no graphic.
Right, it's shadowed, I think. You kind of see the line around it, the outline, because it's kind of airy now, but...
Yeah. I mean, there is an actual shadow cast on there.
Yeah, I figured.
I guess it's like having no graphic.
Yeah, I don't know. It's fucking up somehow.
But you feel the atmosphere of the place?
Sort of. Feels a little half-baked, but I mean, we only threw it together in a little bit, so it's kind of be expected, I guess. That and the levels aren't designed with it, and the shadows aren't completely there yet. I kind of feel like having just a little tiny bit of ambient light would be very useful in this kind of situation. But it would
Instead of
depend.
zero?
What's that?
Instead of absolutely nothing.
Yeah, like, here's the thing. If you're in the caves, like, having the player's vision might be okay to have it like this. But if you're just walking around the mansion, I don't expect to see that. I don't know. I just feel like the light around the character is unnecessary in a game like this. You would just have relatively low global lighting, you know, ambient lighting. And then, like,
well, the limited palette.
maybe. But I mean, like, if, you know, if we're going like full bore Super Nintendo or whatever.
I mean, it looks very oppressive right now.
It does, but it also looks like if the whole game was like this, I'd be disappointed in it. You can only use
brightness radius.
Yeah, you can only use this level of oppression in certain situations.
I mean, you can definitely change it according to the requirement of the scene.
How come these candles don't have light associated with them?
They do.
No, they don't. They don't illuminate the background.
They're different somehow.
Yeah, they don't have any light ring around them. Look at, they're not even activating their own background.
Could be glitched.
Maybe.
Go down.
These ones are. Yeah.
The green.
Yeah, these ones are. I don't know, you done goofed.
I don't know. You probably didn't make them the same.
I don't know. Yeah, something fucked up. I would expect only this level of oppressive view to be like in a very specific situation in the game. I wouldn't expect it to be everywhere like that.
I mean, you can definitely increase it by a major margin.
Well, what I'm trying to say is I don't think that players should have to have a vision scope around him, period, at all, except in very specific situations. I wouldn't, that wouldn't, definitely wouldn't be my first call.
I mean, if you make it big enough, it just comes out like a vignette.
If you want that, you should just put a vignette on the screen. But what I would do is, obviously I wouldn't be using pure black for backgrounds and stuff, because that's very NES-like, but like say in this kind of environment here, I would just have it, I would soften the global illumination a bit so that the candles can pop out a little bit, but it would be more of just like aesthetical window dressing. It wouldn't be like so dark that you couldn't see anything. You know what I mean? It would just be like a little accent to the background. It wouldn't be anything dramatic like this. This would be kind of like a single room that's like so dark that you're not supposed to see everything because it's part of the level design or something. But not just as a casual, this is what it's always like. I think people would get frustrated with this really fucking quick. But it was neat to try it, at least.
I personally think it came out very well.
Yeah, if you use it sparingly.
I mean, just turning up the light is not that hard in the whole area. Let's see, where's the global illumination? The global illumination is actually on, it's just doesn't seem to be rendering it. Oh, I know why.
The object might be off. The component might be on, but the object's off, probably.
There is global illumination. It's just that it's only for the floor, not the background.
It's what?
I only apply global illumination to the floor.
Well, I don't see it on here.
Yeah, right. Every time I boot it, it's like the very tail end just goes black completely.
Yeah.
But it's on. I don't know. Is it glitch maybe?
I don't know. Not sure. The film grain effect though is giving me like huge Silent Hill vibes with the way this is because of the limited viewing angle, kind of like you got like a flashlight, and then the film grain and shit. It's gonna be huge Silent Hill vibes, which is kind of cool. But we ain't making Silent Hill, so
Why not?
why not? Like if it
Something's
was
wrong with Global Lights.
if we were doing a Super Nintendo style, then I would be all over this lighting system. But since we're not, then I'm kind of shy about it.
I can't seem to get the Global Lights to work. Oh, that'll do it.
What?
It's actually off.
The object was off, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
Weird. Oh, I'll show you a screenshot of what it looks like with the intended global lighting. Looks better this way, actually.
With the global lighting?
Yeah.
Yeah, I figured. Now you at least get a little bit of detail. Alright, let's see. Copy. Oh, did I close it? Oh, no, here it is. Yeah, that's what I was saying. Then you can get at least a little bit of a view of the structure of the room. Yeah, that looks good. That's more or less what I would have expected out of the game.
Yeah, sorry, my bad.
No, it's
Want to build with global lighting?
I guess, yeah, sure. Package it up. I may not look at it right now, but I'm pretty tired. But yeah, this is more or less what I expected.
I could always screen share it.
I don't have anything set up for it.
Can't even look at your Discord PC.
Yeah, but if they can't see it, what's the point? So I'm not.
What's kind of cool here? What's kind of cool in this situation is look at what's happening with these doors.
So copy, paste. Oh wait, doors are super dark. What happened?
I think they're just outside the range of the lighting.
Oh, that's creepy. It's weird. I guess in that case you would have to structure the level so that there was a candle near the door, so you wouldn't get that effect. And
Well, that's what the other ones, yeah.
Yeah, like the tiny candle one, something like that. You'd have to make some kind of artistic call there.
But this is actually kind of cool. You come to it like, what the fuck is this thing?
Yeah.
Probably
can
it's the
you-
lights on the symbol.
Can you get a shadow cast from the foreground to the background? Like Ricky's shape behind him. Or no? Like Mystic Bell does.
You want Ricky shape?
Like a casting a shadow from Ricky from the foreground to the background. You know what I'm saying? You know how Mystic Bell does it?
Only affecting the background?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's as if a candle exists between the screen and Ricky, and so it's casting a shadow behind Ricky into the background. Is it possible to do that?
To apply one the shadows to Ricky. And then what is his shape?
Hmm?
What is his shape?
What do you mean, what is this shape?
What is the shape of Ricky's character?
But the sprite that you see. What do you mean, what is this shape?
Like how detailed we want to make it?
Like Mystic Bell.
Okay.
I'm just asking you, with your current knowledge of the shadow system, does it sound like it's possible to do something like that out of the box?
The problem, yeah.
To
Actually,
cast
yes.
a shadow, a copy of Ricky's sprite basically, but dark, onto the background layer.
Well, not like the whole. Well, you'll see. I can do something like it. Very quickly, actually.
How quick can you do it?
We have 5 minutes.
Oh, 5 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Otherwise, I'm too tired to continue. It's already 3:30 in the morning for me.
No comments.
Yeah, I know it's worse for you, but you always got a weird schedule.
No, I do. I'm permanent day shift now, man.
Oh, okay.
I
Well,
used deliberately fucking up my schedule for these streams.
what the fuck are you doing awake?
I am very bad with coffee.
Yeah, I had to have coffee today too. I was dying. In fact, how about a sip?
Well, at least if I'm working, I stay awake.
Yeah, it's easier too, but I gotta keep myself on somewhat of a schedule now.
It's my first day weekends. I'll fuck up my schedule on it and then recover after that.
Hmm.
Okay. I made a shadow of his entire sprite.
Cool.
And
Let's see.
assigned it to the sorting layer. I am currently seeing jack shit on that shadow.
Don't work.
Well, it could work. I've seen it work before I had the correct shape assignment. Probably need to move this where the shadow is compared to E. Compared to the light source on Ricky. I'm getting a whole lot of black out of it because of that. How do you move all the vector lines in one go?
What vector lines?
Sorry, the shape lines.
For what?
For anything, the shape and anything.
Just grab the object and move it?
No, because it's. I guess I need to put it into an object then.
I guess I don't understand what you're asking.
Well, they're part of Ricky's object, player object. I guess I make a separate object when needed.
What are?
The pots for the shadow.
I have no fucking clue.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know. You're the one that's working with shadow shit. I have no fucking clue.
All I need to do now is copy over the exact pot data. Let's see. Copy component values or something like that. Yeah, and then remove it from the player. Then I can move it. That's funky. Of course, Ricky always has the same kind of orientation.
Yes.
Because the big light on him is always the same.
I guess. I would expect other lights to maybe be able to manipulate the shadow. But they would have to be like foreground lights, not background lights. It'd be a little weird. You'd have to get a little crazy with it. Or just go with, like, the Mystic Bell route where every fucking light source just casts a shadow and it goes fucking nuts. Which, I don't know. It worked okay-ish, but I think they could have reined it in certain spots. It got, like, a little obtuse after a while. I'm gonna start working on... You know what? I might do that next time. Making a new version of Uframe for us that's got more options and better efficiency and all that shit.
Yeah, the situation is that there's a big giant light source on him. And it's hard to ignore that.
Oh, there it is. Copy.
Doesn't look right.
That's not right?
It's because you have that big set of light sources on him. Which aren't moving, so...
Where's his shadow? Is that the big blob in the background, the shadow?
Yeah, like I said, it's because there's just a big standard light source on him.
Yeah, you'd have to make, like, you'd have to put a torch down or something, and then, like, he walks near it and it shows... I don't
somehow
know.
that light source has to be ignored, what on him.
Yeah, you'd have to do some layering composition or something. I don't know. I'm trying to think of how Mystic Bell even did it. I guess just everything was a fucking light source for everything else or something. I don't know. Whatever, it don't matter. Oh yeah, like when she shot fireballs out, it would create shadows on everything. Which was kind of neat, I guess. Oh, you got another one? Alright. Oh, I see it. Yeah, that's not what I was... That's not really what I wanted, but I get how it ended up that way.
That's how the system creates.
Yeah, I was expecting... What I would like to see, put it that way. Oh, is Ricky part of the background? Fuck. Shit, I don't know. Hold on. I'm gonna have to do something else here. Where's Ricky? Where's Ricky? Here's Ricky. Okay. Here's kind of what I wanted. I'm gonna put on the key layer here. So I was expecting something more or less like this. And then like this. I wanted something that looked like this. See what I mean? Where his shadow is like just his sprite, but it's in the background. Actually, it might be better.
You just need some sort of... You just probably use a writing trick there.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I'll put them on the left here, so it's like this is hitting them from here.
You need some sort of writing trick, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And
it's
any shadow
would
just... Because any shadow will just continue toward infinity.
Yeah, the only thing I didn't like about Mystic Bell's approach is that, like, the shadows were super pixelated. Which kind of looked cool, but it was also kind of annoying at the same time. So, if you could get some kind of smoothed shadow look from that, it'd be great. So if you use, like, high-resolution HD art with anti-aliasing and not hard pixel edges, I think it would... An automatic solution might work a little better. But I have no idea, so whatever. Mario coins. Ching, 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 ching. There you go. Everybody happy? Everybody's happy. Everybody loves Mario.
You sure?
Anybody that matters. Oh, I fell through the world. Oh, there we go. That's what I get. That's what I get, yeah, for shitting on people. Fall right through the fucking wall. Yeah. Well, whatever. We'll have to fix the platforming one day, but not today. Let's go to Timland. Timland's got a monster. I bet your file's all different now. Oh, and the fucking edge of oblivion. Okay. Yeah, things are shaping up. We're getting good stuff going here. I'm thinking that money probably shouldn't be part of the basic inventory system, if we have it at all. I think it's a little nuanced. A little too nuanced for that. It could be an item pickup, but it might have like a separate functionality. So like if there's a money bag, it'll have to have a value amount and shit like that. I mean, I could tell it to just add 400 coins, but it would be really inefficient to do that. Actually, it wouldn't, because now I have the stock being tracked as a different number, and it can just do the additional at once. But it would still be kind of dumb to have money as like an inventory item, because it would be treated as its own thing entirely anyway. You wouldn't have to have I don't want to put it. There would be no reason to have it in there. There'd be no nuance to it. It would just be calculating one value over and over. I gotta figure out how to make a door that can't be opened unless you have a key. That'll be my next step, I think. What do you got here? Copy. Paste. Oh, not in this file. Paste here. What you showing me here?
The global illumination.
Oh, yeah. I like it. Or you can barely see some of it.
And here.
Okay. Oh, yeah, that's a little higher. This second one that you sent is more or less what I was expecting to see originally.
Yeah.
The natural illumination. Wait, why does the top look brighter than the bottom? The ceiling looks brighter than the dark bottom. The ceiling looks brighter in the unlit zone than it does the floor in the unlit zone.
That's not true.
The other screenshot you sent doesn't do that.
It's not lighter now.
Yeah, it is, for sure, right? Or is it just an optical illusion?
I mean, I can jump into it, make it even brighter.
Here. Oh my god, it's not. Well, maybe. It is a little brighter, isn't it?
Because maybe it's color reversely in reverse.
Yeah, it might be because it's color reversed. What? How do I flip this upside down? Oh, Control H or Shift H. Yeah, and then Shift V. Yeah, I don't know. It does look a little brighter though, right?
You're comparing two unlit zones.
Yeah, these are two unlit zones. Yeah, I pulled it right off from the bottom here.
Yeah, weird. They're the same global illumination. So.
Yeah, it might just be how like the CRT filter's hitting it, but yeah. Yeah, so right here. This is if you want to compare, like right here. It does look brighter though.
You like this illumination?
Yeah, this level is good. I like it.
I think it's because there's less shading. That's all.
Less shading?
Yeah.
I mean,
on the ceiling.
Oh, yeah. I guess a little more structure. This is good for like a dark room. The second to last one you sent. That's pretty good for dark room.
Should the ring be bigger? The ring.
Of visibility on Ricky? Not in this case.
Around him.
No, not in this case.
And the other one? Or does the global illumination solve it?
Global illumination kind of solves it. At some point, Ricky shouldn't have to have a ring though. You should be able to see enough to, like, the unilluminated floor over here is actually light enough that you don't need to worry about it. The global illumination is enough to see the floors, because the floors are naturally going to be using a brighter color in their pixels than the background, so it kind of works. Just as long as you calibrate the light correctly. And then you can just use the light to accent the background by giving the candles extra flourish. Now, Ricky doesn't need the light in most cases. He doesn't need the circle around him. If you treat it like a background decoration as opposed to like an oppressive lighting situation, I think most of the game would do well. If it was a Super Nintendo game, obviously we're not going to bother with it, but if it was a Super Nintendo game and we were going to do this kind of lighting, I would treat the lighting as an accent to the background of an, like, treat it as like art direction stuff, but it wouldn't be like a heavy gameplay thing, except in certain situations. Certain situations you'd want it. But I think for the most part, you don't want it to be too heavy.
So you want me to up the lights version?
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's super impressive. That's like, this is what it looks like when you have a fucking blackout in your house, and it's just not fun. Like, nobody wants that. Unless it's like a special event, you know what I mean?
Yeah, here's the same scene.
Looks the same. Oh, well, that's a little brighter. Man, that dark green is really dark, though. Why the hell is the ceiling so bright? So weird.
Because the foreground is just pretty high up there. The foreground and background have different lighting.
Well, I know, but like, it just looks so damn bright up on top. I don't know.
I mean, I can
Could just
lower
be
that.
it just could be the CRT shader where you've got the window kind of like smaller.
Here is these. Those contrast to them.
Okay, copy, paste. Yeah, I don't know. That works better for sure. This one works better for sure. I just feel like the darks are maybe a little too dark. I don't know. We'd have to like super play with it if we were getting serious about it, but I'm not gonna bother dedicating time to that. It was an interesting curiosity, but if we're not gonna use it, I'm not gonna spend a lot of time on it. My elbows are killing me. Alright, we gotta shut it down. So,
I sent you one more though.
okay. Alright. Copy. Paste. Oh, it's a little brighter. Yeah, it's weird how dark the background is compared to the thing. Like, I guess for visibility and readability, you know, to be able to navigate, that's kind of cool. But I don't know. I'm not sure how I feel about it, I guess.
And if you put foreground and background the same brightness, you get this.
Okay. Copy. Oh, that's more like what I expected. Yeah, okay. That's a bit better. It's more or less what I was looking for. There's a bit too much.
It does feel rich though.
Yeah, I would like to see if you could somehow cap the light intensity.
Yeah.
I think that would greatly improve that. Yeah, I think that would do well. Oh well. What, do you want to make the game 16-bit now?
Sheesh. What about 3D?
Nah, way too much work. You crazy? I know the answer is yes.
Like,
I guess...
could you have some sort of code where you say, oh, here, here's the topic of the matter.
Limit the amount of light applied to sprite. Yeah, let's see. Oh, I don't know if that's what... I don't know if that's what he's trying to do. I don't know, whatever. I'm not a light specialist.
Who is?
Not me.
Ask AJ.
Maybe. Let's
Yeah, I do
see.
think they get a bit too overblown in a way at some points.
Yeah. Yeah, for sure. Let's see. The last thing I'm gonna do here is make new key bases.
I mean, the other option would be to completely calibrate it where all the numbers will always align to the same combinations. But it's hard.
Okay, prefab variant. Key base in. We'll call it the spade key. And we'll change the... Oh, we need to make the items here. Game inventory item. Spade key. What the fuck happened? Where is it? What happened? Okay, hold on. At least let me put it in here. Spade key variant. I don't want the word variant in there. Hold on. Create. Let's fucking do this again. Inventory item. Spade key. Jesus Christ. Alright. Key of spades.
Someone asked this very question, apparently.
What's up?
Someone asked this exact question.
What question?
About the light intensity.
Oh, what'd they say?
Did I get? Somebody says just working through your shaders.
No, that doesn't help too much. So there's... I guess the implication there is that there's no way to manage it without changing your shaders.
But this guy is actually doing exactly what we're trying to do.
Gotcha. Diamond key. Key of diamonds. Progression, only one. And so then we take the key base, add it. Jesus, key base. And we'll say diamond key. And we'll do it here as a variant. Okay, now that I've got all that, fucking sure save, but unload that fucker. Okay.
Will Unity just overwrite the same build folder just fine?
Typically. Sometimes you run into issues. Sometimes Unity complains about it, sometimes it doesn't. You have to be a little careful.
Doesn't seem like it bitched, so...
Yeah, it can be a little temperamental, but sometimes it doesn't give a shit. It'll give you an error when it builds if it's gonna have a fit about it.
Yep. Okay, right click.
Spade key. It's the last one. I think they're all set now, so take that away.
Vertical drive.
Oh, I didn't actually put them in the... Actually didn't put them in there. So key variants, we'll get rid of that, we'll get rid of that. I'm going to add club, diamond, heart, and spade keys. And we'll see how that works. Well, one of these didn't save right. Club key, diamond key is not right. No, diamond key is good. Heart key is good. And spade key is the one that didn't get done. Wait, what the fuck is this one? Club key. Oh, all the damn. Wait, why is there another diamond key?
Yeah, it's not you.
Yeah, I don't know. Fucking whatever. It's fine.
Okay, here's the fixed light build.
Let's see. You sent a new one.
Here's the fixed build.
Oh, a new build. Okay. Alright, here we go. Gotta block the screen out. As Google takes 8 years to fucking load them.
Here's another link that says
There it is.
how to adjust 2D light intensity.
Oh,
in Unity.
okay.
Can you check if there's any way to just cap the light based on this?
Alright, I'll check it in a second. So this is done. The fandom? What article? Holy fuck, Google. Come on, man. I don't know what the problem is. Is it done? Open it. Jesus Christ. Let me... Fuck, I hate this browser so much. You right click it to open, and if you click it, left click it to open, and then you're like, no, I wanted to right click it and show in folder. Like you can right click it and it'll immediately disappear as soon as you click show in folder. It's so fucking infuriating. I goddamn hate this fucking browser. Using Chrome, by the way, or Chrome derivative. I get it that you want to clear it off the fucking bottom there once you clicked on it, but it's so super fucking infuriating. Okay, here we go. Mansion game. Bootin. El Booterino. Where is Unity? Here. Let me pause this so we don't get controller overlap. I can't maximize it? I guess I can full screen it. There we go. Okay. Original? Tim?
Yeah.
Okay. Argil. Hola. Well, I don't speak anything but English, so unfortunately, if you can't type in English, I won't know what you're saying. Anyway, yeah, so ambient lighting, let's see.
Go to the left door.
Yeah, I mean, it's lighting. It's better than the other build for sure.
It's still dark.
It
Darker
is.
on my screen.
Yeah.
Even though
It, yeah, well, like I say, it's... But this room almost doesn't even look like it has the effect on it at all because it's so bright. It's also the high contrast with the bright blocks,
because
too.
there's no background elements, I think.
Yeah, I think that makes a big difference, for sure. Yeah, I don't know. Either way, it's a fun curiosity, just doesn't really fit the
Actually,
NES
we know
style.
it
Oh
works.
my god, this looks horribly blown out here. What the hell?
Yeah, see?
It's way too
That's why we need a
bright.
cap. We need a cap.
Yeah, for sure. Way too bright in the caves. Holy shit. Them stalactites are coming out like fucking torches of their own.
Well, gotta fix it again.
Yeah. Alright, let's see what this...
That's why I want the background a bit darker, you know?
Yeah, let's see what this fucking article said.
Code.
No.
Just code.
Yeah, this is something else. Yeah, we ain't doing this. Nope.
What are you
Nope.
doing?
There's not enough time for that.
What are they doing?
I don't even fucking know, and that's how I know we don't have time for it. Okay, so if we collect all the keys, they should show up in the inventory of the player. Yeah, key of clubs, diamonds, hearts, and spades. Hey, look at that. Boing, 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 and you can only get one each. Cool. Set it here. Okay, so if we get this one, key of diamond, key of clubs, just making sure their names are actually right per one, heart, and spade. There, cool. Hog. And then coins, yay! Coin, 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 coin. Whee! Sparkles. Alright. And I got 104. There's 144 coins there? It doesn't look like it, but I guess so.
How many of them did you overlap?
I have no fucking clue. Doesn't look, yeah, maybe it is. I guess it is quite a few rows. Whoosh, whoosh, whoosh.
Actually, the one I sent you is the one was showing you.
What's up?
Just check the light values here. They're different from what I showed you in the screenshots.
What values?
The light values, global light.
Oh.
That's why they're so overblown.
Yeah, I'll have to think about how now to get doors to potentially have conditions to them that says, like, you have to have a certain inventory. I don't know how that will be accomplished exactly. But I do like the keys. The keys look cool. They definitely look cool. I think their pixel art's pretty good. The spade one maybe be the only one that's a little weird, but
Running your own pixel art now?
yes, I think my own pixel art's dandy at times.
Dandy.
My coin's pretty good too.
Mark, let's put this in perspective.
What?
I created light today.
Fuck you, Tim.
You created capitalism.
Capitalism? Oh, because of the money? Yeah. Well, I'm getting a lot of capital. I wish I could just reload my fucking paycheck. Like, I can reload this room and get more money. That would be great. Speaking of that, Patreon. It would be great if you guys could go to my Patreon. There's like nobody here left because it's like 4 in the morning. Yeah, it's 4 in the morning.
It's a roll, right?
I think we got one. Other than you, I think we got one person.
Isn't that you?
Yeah, somebody's on Facebook. That's funny. Yeah, somebody's on Facebook. It's not me. No, I don't. I'm actually not viewing the stream. If I do, I usually look through the relay server. So it ain't me. So thank you, whoever you are on Facebook, for sitting with us here. Ooh, well, that was some load time.
Okay, I fixed the blowing out of the caves.
Yeah, I gotta get these items to not activate during scene transitions.
This time tomorrow, or within 12 hours, I'll have all those coins lighting up.
All the coins.
Yes, all the coins.
What about them?
We'll have them lighting up with 4 layers of lights.
Oh, lighting up. I thought you said lining up, but yeah, lighting
No,
up.
lighting.
No thanks. I don't need to see that.
You want to be indie or you want to be indie?
No. No, I don't. Yeah, we're gonna have to start actually implementing a time system into here, which is fine. But we're actually gonna have to have our time management system come into play. It's just gonna be kind of a pain. Well, it is what it is.
Fix the light.
Another build? Alright. I do have to sleep sometime.
Sleep? Why sleep?
This'll be it. Downloads, you son of a bitch.
The shadow can also be set to be less harsh, I think.
Potentially. Okay. Yeah. Extract. Build 3, baby. Okay. And screen come back. I'll have to pause this. This is 3? Yeah, this is 3. Okay. Okay, so
let's pause it before.
what, is it just brighter now?
No, I dimmed some parts. I brightened up some other parts.
Okay. Oh man, that blood really comes through. That's funny.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's kind of cool, but it also kind of needs to be its own layer. Yeah, same with the hand there. It's funny. Yeah, these really super dark rooms don't work good. You'd have to go 16-bit, and just everything has to have a texture on it for this to work out right.
In case?
I'm going. I shouldn't have activated the asshole. He's gonna get in the way.
He doesn't do anything.
Yeah, they're still super blown out. What did you change?
It's just it must be your motor.
I mean, it's
It look fine on my end.
the difference is not noticeable to me at first glance. Maybe it's different, but it's difficult for me to tell, which means that it hasn't changed enough to be substantially noticeable.
Well, the other situation would be to darken everything again.
Yeah, I wouldn't go that far. For what it's worth, we just need to figure out how to cap the lighting, and that's it.
Yep.
But I don't know.
I mean, for any future projects that require lighting, you want something to keep it out.
Yeah, I was gonna say for this, I kind of don't care, but like, yeah, for anything in the future, we'll have to figure it out. So, I mean, it doesn't all change by then. I still like my little splash bite. It's cool.
I mean, there's definitely atmosphere going on the place now.
Oh, for sure. I would probably structure it a bit differently, but it does work for what it is.
You're making friends with your ghosty buddy.
Oh yeah, friends. That's what it is. Friends. Well, guess what? He's dead. I deleted him.
I think these full rooms look pretty good though.
Yeah, they're not bad. If we could just cap the lighting, it would be way better. But yeah. Oh, that's what it is.
Yeah, well, what would the cap value be?
Oh well. That's it. I'm done. Tired. Too tired. Too tired.
So tired.
Alright, here's the schedule. We did Thursday, that's Retro Mansion Day. Of course, it's Friday now. 4 in the morning Friday, you're killing me. Sunday, we're gonna play Castlevania Symphony of Night, the Sega Saturn version, which is the awful version, but it's hilariously awful. But it does have a unique version of Maria playable, and Richter and stuff, so we're gonna go through the extra characters for Richter and Maria. We did Alucard run last time. And then a Super Castlevania 4 hard mode run, which I never did before, so that should be fun. And that's our Halloween special Happy Bonanza. And then on Monday, Pocket Fighter EX development, and then back on Thursday, more Retro Mansion game stuff. So I think our next step, or my next step at least, I don't know what you want to do next, but my next step is going to be figuring out how to make inventory dependent decisions in the game. So like a door can't be unlocked without having like the spade key, for example, you know, something like that. And then we'll go from there to see what we can do. And I think that'd be cool. It'll be like a nice little thing. So yeah, because that's pretty much it. And so of course, like all good e-beggars, I have a Patreon, and if you would take a look at it, it'd be much appreciated. It helps me dedicate more time to doing these crazy dev streams here and spending more time doing development in general. And then you can get some prototype builds of the stuff we work on. You can get a shout out. Like everybody's gonna get a shout out right now. We got Alex Smith, Mugen, AJ, Angel, Waken Emperor, Bryce Nugglingham, Cameron Lau, Garen Johnson, Mike Cruz, Turn Williams, Variant X07360, Alex D, Ben KD Melanie 107, LD Walker, Miles Griffin, and Omega Q. Thank you guys super extra much. What did you send me? Alright, we have to look at this. What the fuck's wrong with you? Was that a spirit bomb? What the fuck's going on there? It's a Mega Ricky. Ultra Instinct Ricky. Can't touch him. Wait, how did you get that one to be like super white? And then, but this one here is like, he got hit with the fucking MS-DOS bomb. Like, what the hell happened?
Erase the intensity.
You see, he got hit with like the fucking CYM color space. It got sent to Commander Keenland. What the fuck? Yeah, Commander Keen mode. There you go.
Yeah, you get it.
Yeah, it's funny that it didn't affect his green, but his outline changed to be like purple. It's weird. I don't know. Is Ricky affected by lighting at all, or no?
No.
It might just be the shader then pulling in the purple from the surrounding.
Here is the full smooth big area light shader.
Okay. Yeah, see, that's the shit that I would do in like a 16-bit style game, or well, 32, whatever you want to call it. They're all kind of similar.
But the candles are not changed.
Yeah, no, they look cool though. This is the kind of shit that I would want to do if we had higher bit stuff, but I can't sprite that, so we can't do that. Have to hire an
Get good?
expert, and we've got no fucking money, so it's just us.
Get good?
Yeah, get good. Yeah, let me just go to the hyperbolic time chamber and train for 3 years in a week. Yeah. You want to see how bad I am at shading? Here, we'll do this real quick before we go. Here, let's fucking... I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. Here. Yeah. See, I'm already fucking up. I have no idea what's going on. Maybe. I don't know. Anyway, there you go. Ricky hair. And maybe? I don't know, I guess that's good enough. I don't really know what I'm doing. So...
That seems obvious.
Yes, it does. Here.
And here's the version with the layered lighting, much bigger, intensity decreased a bit. Looks cool.
Pog. It's actually coming out better than I thought it would. It's still shitty, but better than I thought it would be. Actually looks kind of cool. Fuck me. God damn it. I really don't know. I'm just picking NES colors, so it's gonna be a little awkward for these shades, but I don't know if it would be something like this might be appropriate. A little anti-aliasing going on there. That doesn't look right. That looks okay. Fuck me, it actually looks kind of cool. I don't know. I still think I'm shit at it though. I need skin shading. This one's gonna be a little difficult. Because there's like really shit colors for skin shading. I guess this will have to do. Fuck no, that looks stupid as shit. I don't know, like, doesn't really need a lot of shading on his face, I guess. No, I don't know. This one's tough. Faces are tough. I have no idea. I'm completely stumped. No idea. No clue. I'm fucking stumped. I guess that, I don't know. Here, whatever, fucking sideburns. No, it looks stupid. I have no idea. I have no fucking clue. But I can do the hands, maybe. There's his hands. Now the backpack. Fuck you. Go fuck yourself. I don't know how to do this. Fuck you. I don't know. It feels like some of it would have to, some of the like inner outlining would have to like.
Just
change.
let Unity's lighting system handle it.
Oh yeah, it would look like fucking shit.
You just take your shaded sprite and we apply it as the normal mask.
Yeah. Super good.
Or actually rendering the flat one.
I don't know. It's alright, I guess. The face is totally fucked up, but the rest of it's okay, I guess.
Are you in the sprite or not?
Am I what?
Color is eyes.
Color his eyes.
Yes.
Green.
Yeah, with the program.
I don't know. I guess the right one can't get colored. It's a little weird. I guess no, that looks dumb.
One higher.
Right here? Yeah, that looks dumb though.
2 pixels then.
Like,
2 pixels.
I don't know. No, it looks really dumb. Could we get away with that?
Why did you kill the highlight? No, don't change the highlight.
I don't know. I don't know. I'm done. I have no fucking clue. Like, fucking eyes or googly bald fucking shit. I don't fucking care. I don't know. I don't care.
It's not half bad for an NES belt.
Yeah, it could be better. I really don't know how to shade faces. I don't know if you. I guess that's okay.
Millimeters is fine.
I don't fucking know. I feel like if we're going 16-bit too, that we'd have to like do, like no color. We'd have to do colored outlines and not like that. But I don't know. Whatever. I don't give a shit. This is what it is. There you go. Saved.
Saved.
SNES Ricky. Actually, it looks like Genesis Ricky, because the Genesis had an awful color palette. And a lot of sprites ended up being like really, kind of like this. Just kind of like an awkward color.
If we make the game like this.
Yeah, there you go. Now you're fucking talking. It's Commander Keen in fucking mansion worlds. I don't know. There you go.
Oh, you want me to apply it to the player too?
Hmm?
What the fuck is this sorting layer?
What's up?
What is his sorting layer?
For what?
For Ricky.
I don't know. Check it.
He doesn't have any.
Maybe he doesn't.
Oh, he doesn't have a lit sprite, of course.
Yeah, it didn't have a lit sprite. He is on the player layer though. Yeah, you're right. Ricky's not blown out, is he?
This is best assume I get it.
It doesn't seem to have changed anything.
No change? Oh, how did that happen?
Oh, wrong one. Okay, copy image. Whoa, okay, that looks way more moody. So now that Ricky's on the proper, or being lit, can you like blow him out into Keen Land again?
I haven't lit him.
Oh, you made him unlit?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, I see what you're doing. You did what I suggested. I would keep him, if I was doing the no circle around him, I would keep him lit, but it might have to regulate how much light gets on him so that he always stands out. But I think it would be cool if he got lighter near the torches.
Yeah. Probably won't have it, but I deliberately made it lit so he's always visible.
Yeah. I get you. All right.
And what I did in this version is I plus 40 bold radiuses on everything.
All right. Well, I'm getting the fuck out of here. I'm fucking done.
You're never sleeping.
I'm never sleepy. Hey, I've been sleepy lately more than.
No, you're never going to sleep.
I'm never going to sleep. Why?
Halloween's fast approaching.
What?
Halloween's fast approaching. You'll be
Halloween?
streaming every day. Halloween.
Oh, Halloween is fast approaching. Yeah. Well, look. At least I got the rest of Friday off and Saturday off. Anyway, I think the keys came out good though. The more I look at them, I think they look really cool.
Congrats on creating money.
I am happy with the keys. I think they came out cool.
Yeah. That's cool.
Yeah. Anyway, yeah, the chickens are actually up for real now. Thanks, Tim. I stayed up until the chickens awoke. You can probably hear them in the back.
Yeah, so you got work done.
Yeah. So, it's fine. We did a lot. It's all right. Yeah. Anyway, so I did my patron stuff, and all that. Oh, Discord link. So Discord. All right, I'm about to drop dead, so I'm getting the fuck out of here. The stream ends with me. You don't have to leave, but stream's going offline. All right, one more fucking screenshot. This is the last one. Better be good. Hey, yeah, that's basically what I was, more or less what I was thinking of.
Yeah, so I retweaked everything.
Yeah. That's pretty much what I had in mind when I was thinking about this whole lighting shit. Something akin to this. So when you got close to a lantern, it would, you know, light up, but it wouldn't like shadow everything, and so it was like too difficult to see. Yeah. Alright.
I think this is a good balance.
This is all the same intensity, I assume?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that. I think that would have worked good if we did a 16-bit game.
I dialed most of everything down, basically.
Yeah.
I just increased the rings.
Yeah. So if you could rein in the light intensity, I think it would look really cool. Then it would be a very
the max zone.
Yeah, and then the lighting becomes part of the art direction, not like an annoying thing you have to deal with in the game. So, yeah, it looks cool. It's neat. So,
Say good night to Vampire Cruise.
Yeah. Good night, Daddy Vampire Cruise. We'll come give you another candlelit seance later.
I mean, it's daytime, so you gotta sleep.
Yeah, that's true. He's got to go to sleep because he's a vampire. There you go. All right. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So, basking in the glory of Keys and Shaded Ricky, Nightmare Fuel.
Oh wait, no, we haven't shaded Ricky yet.
Wait, what?
Ricky sprites? Where's his sprites?
Yeah, it's right here. It's shaded. It's fine.
No, I mean, where is his material?
Oh, I have no fucking clue. It's somewhere.
Man.
I know, but it's a fucking test project. It doesn't matter. Anyway. So, I'm gonna get out of here. I'll see everybody on Sunday and then Monday. And then hopefully things will be back to normal and I won't be run ragged and killing myself to get everything done. And we'll be all good. So, okay, I'm getting out of here. Say bye, Tim. What? Scrub out? Oh, yeah. So, alright, I'll see everybody later. Everybody have a good one. I'll see you Sunday, scrub out, and bye.
Bye.